Exploring Science International is packed full of exciting, real-life science that builds a foundation for international GCSEs. Choose resources that are already adapted to your needs so you can get on with inspiring the next generation of scientists. New content, covering the UK national curriculum, carefully sequenced to bridge the gap to international GCSEs and inspire future scientists with a broad, rich curriculum. It's full of activities and practicals with complete teacher and student guidance. Your students will start to develop the independent learning skills that set them up for success at GCSE and beyond. Fascinating case studies from the birth of science in antiquity to the latest discoveries, brought to life through front-of-class animations, videos, interactives and presentations. Assign and track homework online with auto-marked questions and detailed reporting. Progress and assess with end-of-unit tests and online markbooks. The series includes brand new content designed to build the base of your 11 to 16 curriculum and lead into international GCSE sciences seamlessly. And building a curriculum is easy with our free interactive scheme of work. Start exploring today.